Hey, you guys, you've probably heard of Slender, and yeah, that. Here's a variant of that. It's called White Noise, and I'm gonna play it for you. I'll probably be doing quite a few of these now that I actually have the game. I would change the settings for you, but I just can't. I'm sorry, you guys. Hopefully, you guys will get a good look at whatever he is. Hello, Smoke. Damn, I really wish I could turn up the brightness for you guys. Hold the phone. Come on. Thank you. Oh no, close it. Okay. Alright then. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, that's much better. It's all misty for me though. Just so you know, you can see these things far easier than I can. Oh hey. Pick it up. Pick it up. Alright. Whoa, it's like a giant hand. Pick it up. Thank you. Oh, and here comes the ambiance. Oh, I do not know where he is. That's the indicator, like when Slender does his thing. The indicator that you looked at him. This thing is creepy as fuck. Okay. I just broke the first rule, Slender. Oh, hello. just so you guys know, if I don't die in the 15 minutes I have now, I will do the next video continuing this one. That is a giant hand. What are you doing? Hello, goodbye. You guys just got a glimpse of him. Aw, oh, son of a... Oh, he's not there. Cool. Ah, you need to do more cardio. Seriously. Okay. Found one. Music while you stop. Found him. This is why I hate games like Slender. They just poof right in front of you. Nope. Oh, quit getting stuck on trees. I've played this like twice before. I only got 4 each time because he trapped me. No, thank you. Nope. Go, 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 go. This is probably a really bad idea. Really bad. Yay! 3. I just need one more and I unlock day mode. Dog! You scared me. You know what? I'm gonna name him. The douche who's following me around. What should I name him? George. I use that name quite a bit. No, hello. Found him. What? I'm just gonna run. Why are you running so slow? Yeah, he's gonna get me. He's gonna get me, 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 he's gonna get me. Hello? You can fuck off now. Oh shit, where'd he go? Where did he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Not funny. Not. Yo. Yes, his name shall be George. George. Fuck you. Hello. I don't know. I'm kind of torn between George and Jeffrey. George and Jeffrey. George and Jeffrey. Huh. Jeffrey, you can say all pissed off and shit. And George is just like, George! So, I don't know. I might mix and match it. Fuck you, Jeffrey. Nah, that doesn't feel right. I don't know, I'll find out his name soon. Oh, yay! Day mode unlocked. Yay! Oh, not this noise! Oh, fuck. The road. Ah! Ah! No, 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 no. Why are you running so slow, man? Come on. Get your stamina, get your stamina. Come on, come on. Why? It's like right behind you, dude. Go. Tree, don't get in my way. Ah. Yay, 5. Ah, road. Ah, damn it. I'm running out of time. Alright guys, well, see you in the next video. Bye.